Juju said James and Gordon. Juju said Edward Mainline Engines. Always have to do it. Juju said Gordon. And Nighttime. Juju said Henry. Juju said Percy. And Little Engine. Juju said Bill. Okay, Juju said Thomas. Just because we're small, that's all. You're always all they do. You'll be surprised. And you're not Little Engines and do Little Engines. Choo-choo. See, Little Engines. Choo-choo to Thomas. Little Engines can do the biggest thing. Little Engines. Little Engines. Little Engines can do the best in me. They're carrying home until the work is over. They're carrying on. Yeah. Just after all, Engines say you have to play all day. And you want it all. Enough to be those trucks. But Little Engines are for Little Engines. Little Engines. Little Engines can do the biggest. Little Engines. Little Engines. Little Engines can do the biggest. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. I'm just off the wall. Thomas, Percy, Bill, and Ben. You can rely on them. Looking these Little Engines from this. Stepney, Duck, and Oliver. Look at the trucks. Hold on. You'll be so okay. Little Engines. Little Engines. Little Engines can do the making. Jesus, Percy. Little Engines. Little Engines. Little Engines can do us very good. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on. Yeah. I made it. There are more Little Engines. And Little Engines. Little Engines after all. They're not.